Good afternoon, everyone. Damn, it feels like I'm in this Quail House forever. I started at 7 a.m. and now it's 12. It's 5 hours for now. Thankfully, I'm considered done everything else because I need to go to shop for buying two components glue for our new water filter that will be filled with what drugs or traditional drugs, actually. What we call it, I forgot about that in English, but in Indonesia we call it jamu. So at first in the morning, like usual, I'm collecting eggs and joy. I think it's bring me happiness because I collecting 2 kilograms eggs for now, and our barely calm quails starting to having eggs, okay, producing eggs. I see there is one quail that dead. I didn't collect them. I didn't collect it yet, but unfortunately I think has been dead for 2 or 3 days for now. Can you see it? That's bad, right? I don't like that smell too. It's bad. So after I collecting eggs, I start feeding them, and it's post because I need to go to shop buying two components glue for that, and then after that I collecting maggots. And that's bring me joy too, because there is a lot of pre-pooper that I've collected, and after that I start cleaning, but it takes so much time to clean everything because I'm cleaning in the inside and the outside. As you can see, now we have much more clean outside, right? I promise you it's getting cleaner every day, and as you can see, that's clean too. So it's reducing. Wow, can you see there? It's lizard. You know it? That's who stealing my eggs too. They're stealing my eggs too, beside rats. Speaking of rats, they are make me piss each day. Can you see it? There is a hole. They're making a hole here and in the back of the fly cage. That sucks, man. But that's for now. See you tomorrow. Thank you.